Let's make scalloped potatoes with cheese. First, peel your potatoes, then give them a good rinse. After, slice them into thin slices into a big pot. Fill it up with water and then bring it to a boil. Cook for about 10 minutes. Add garlic and butter to the heavy whipping cream. Then microwave it until butter melts. Give it a good stir and set aside. Next, drain water from the potatoes and bring them to a table. Grease a baking dish or a skillet with butter and add potatoes. Pour the sauce, season with salt and pepper, and add cheese. Repeat with the rest of the potato. Don't add cheese at the end. Cover it with parchment paper or foil and bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. After, uncover and add cheese and bake until golden color. After it's done cooking or baking, serve with your favorite salad or protein. Enjoy!